How to post long videos in WhatsApp Story. For this, you'll be needing an external app called WhatsApp, so go ahead and download it. Then tap Open. Now tap on Next. Now tap on Next alongside of this. Then tap on Done. Now once you are here, go ahead and allow all of this permission. Then tap on Upload Status. You have to watch an ad, so make sure to do that. Then once it is all done and dusted, you'll be able to select a video from your gallery. Now go ahead and select a video of your preference. For an example, I have selected this one. Then tap on Upload. From here, go ahead and tap on My Status. Then once you do that, you have to go ahead and tap on the arrow at the bottom. And just like that, your video will be posted pretty soon in your WhatsApp. As you can see, it is in full version. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.